A couple was on a whale-watching expedition off the tip of Antarctica, checking out these killer whales, when they noticed one little penguin who was in quite the rush.
Swim, Jimmy, swim.
He's running from the killer whales. He doesn't want to end up as lunch.
That did not sound well. Oh, the penguin's still... Go, penguin.
That's when Jimmy makes a jump for it. He's trying to get in the boat.
It almost did. I think I got it. Oh, it's still going.
Let's try that again. Not quite. One more time. He's in. Keep swimming, little buddy.
The penguin is in the boat. He's in the boat. What do you do with him? Well, I don't know. Save him.
This penguin said, "Not today, orcas."
Yay!